myself when I really want to fake myself out. On those days when our Airbnb is on a turnover, that means someone left at 11, someone is coming at 3, we clean, and we clean extensively. And my wife does most of it, but my job is really several things. One is to see if we have any chicken eggs and put them in the refrigerator for our guests. And then the next thing is to strip the beds and get the laundry started. I do the laundry. The bathroom, the beds, the towels, the blankets on the back of the couch, all the laundry. I do the laundry. And the other thing, the more challenging thing, is to make the bed. To make the bed. You wouldn't think it would be such a challenge. You know, getting those pillowcases off those big pillows and putting the other pillowcases on and then getting it done. You know, it takes hours and then it takes about 5 minutes. But it's not that hard, is it? But I go over there some days and maybe I'm dragging along and I don't want to do it. I don't think I can do it. And I'll say under my breath to myself, I just can't do it today. And I'll just do a little bit. And then if I fall off, you know, Andrea will cover me. So I get started and I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to keep going. You pull everything off, get the pillowcases off, you put the mattress cover on, then you put the bottom sheet on, you tuck it, you know, you make it nice and smooth, and you put the next sheet on, you do your hospital corners, and you make it just right, and you say to yourself one more time, I just can't do it today. This is probably as much as I can do. And then you grab the first blanket, and you put that blanket on. You make sure that the rows are going the way you want. You make sure there's as much hanging out the left side as the right side. You decide if you want to tuck anything in. You do it. And you smooth it out so nicely. And then you're not satisfied with it, so you smooth it out some more. And you say, well, I think I might be able to do it, but I'm not sure. And you put the bedspread on, and you smooth that out. You even everything out, you smooth it out, you make it just right. It's time for the pillows. The big pillows go in the back, and they have to be smooth. They have to be standing up just right. Then you put the little smaller pillows. They're not too small. They're just a little thinner. You put them in the front, smooth it out, no wrinkles. And there's one more job to do. I put out the top blanket, just in case blanket, in case you're still chilly in the night. Oh, I got to get those wrinkles out too. You got to tuck some things in. You got to have it folded just right. And then you say, out loud this time, so Andrea can hear you, I just don't think I can do it today. I'm just too tired, or I'm just dragging along, or I'm just too woozy. And then you grin, because you know that even though you couldn't do it, you did it. And then you go about your business. And that's how you do a tough job. All the best to you. You have a great day. That's your seldom heard encouraging word where the deer and the antelope play.